In this video, I am going to teach you how to use ClickUp for finance management. So in order to do that, first head over to clickup.com and you should be able to see their web page right here. As you can see, it's free forever with no credit card required. In order to sign up, first click on the Get Started option, and then from in there, they will ask for your work email or how email you want to actually use. You can also sign up using your Google account in here as well. Now, if you already have an account, click on this login option right here and then just enter in here your credentials for your actual ClickUp. Now, since I already have an account, let me head over and then just log in from there. Now, here is my actual ClickUp dashboard. So I want to use it for finance management. In order to do that, we just need to head over and then create in here a space that will have that. For example, let's click onto this new space and then let's name this. Let's name this finance. You can add in here a description and also make it private. Now in here, let's click on continue. And in here, you can choose your workflow. It can be starter, project management, product, or marketing. But if you want to use it for finance, like for example, we can actually go back and get started with the template. You can click on this templates right here and then search in here for templates that you would want. So for example, let's search in here for finance. And in here, you can see templates for finance management. Head over and click on that. Click on this use template. Then just name in here your actual space group. Let's input this finance right here. You can import everything or only import several items, as well as input archive task. Click onto this use template. And after that, that particular space will be created right here. So just wait for that to actually load. And once it's done, you should be able to find it right here under your spaces that you can see right here. Here is our finance template, and you can actually use this for finance management. You can add in here tasks for ready for submission tasks, approval tasks, sign task. You can click on any of those cards right here or those lists, and this should be able to open the actual dashboard right here. You can see the assignees, tags, and as well as descriptions for that, add due dates, custom fields, and the likes for this. So that's how you use ClickUp for finance management. Hope we help.